Hi guys, welcome again to Xumptious Foods with Dami. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make turmeric rice with vegetable sauce. So guys, let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are listed in the description section, so do well to check it. So the first thing I'll be doing is to pour my already powdered rice in the pot. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. Pour some quantity of water in the pot. Suitable for cooking. Guys, please be careful when you add this. You don't want your rice to overcook, so please be careful. Then allow to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, let's prepare the vegetables. So the vegetables I'll be using basically for this are the scotch bonnet peppers, tomatoes, and onions and spring onions. So I will divide the scotch bonnet pepper into 2, remove the seed, then cut slightly, to bring out that nice shape. So you do the same also for all the vegetables. Guys, the rice is ready. Can you see it's so inviting? Can you see the yellowish color? So this looks so inviting. Add all the vegetables in the heated oil and stir. And allow to cook for 2 minutes. Guys, basically that's all you have to do in making this sumptuous meal. I trust you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're updated about my new videos. Thank you so much and see you again in my next videos. Bye.